Hello everyone. Welcome to Vinri's Academy. This is Vinay. Welcome to the mobile testing series. Today, we'll focus on progressive web apps or PWAs, an exciting technology that bridges the gap between web and mobile apps. PWAs are designed to work across devices, offer offline functionality, and deliver a native app-like experience. In this video, we'll explore how to debug and test PWAs effectively. From understanding their unique architecture to using the right tools and addressing common challenges, we'll provide actionable insights to ensure your PWA delivers seamless performance and reliability. Let's dive in. Progressive web apps combine the best of web and mobile apps. They are installable on home screens, work offline thanks to service workers, and offer fast, responsive user experiences similar to native apps. Their cross platform nature means you can build a single PWA that works seamlessly across devices and operating systems, reducing development costs and reaching a broader audience. These features make PWAs an increasingly popular choice for businesses. The architecture of PWAs is what sets them apart. At the core are service workers, which handle background tasks like offline caching and push notifications. The Cache API stores key assets, ensuring the app loads quickly even with limited connectivity. PWAs also rely on responsive design to adapt seamlessly to various screen sizes. Finally, they run exclusively on HTTPS, which provides a secure browsing experience for users. This robust architecture is what makes PWAs so versatile and reliable. Testing PWAs is critical for delivering a smooth and reliable experience. Since PWAs are designed to work offline, you need to ensure offline functionality is robust and consistent. Cross-browser and cross-device compatibility are also essential, as PWAs must perform well on various browsers like Chrome, Safari, and Edge, as well as across devices from smartphones to desktops. Performance testing is vital, especially on low-end devices where resources may be limited. Lastly, PWAs must be tested for security vulnerabilities to protect user data and prevent potential attacks. Several tools make debugging PWAs easier. Chrome DevTools is a go-to tool for inspecting service workers, network requests, and cache storage. Lighthouse, also available in Chrome, audits your PWA for performance, accessibility, and SEO. Workbox debugging is invaluable for monitoring the life cycle of your service workers. Firefox DevTools offers insights into storage usage and manifest file validation. These tools provide powerful features to identify and resolve issues efficiently. When it comes to testing PWAs, these tools are highly recommended. BrowserStack and SourceLabs allow you to test your PWA on a wide variety of browsers and devices, ensuring compatibility across platforms. Lighthouse CI enables continuous testing by integrating audits into your development pipeline. PWABuilder helps validate your PWA against key requirements and even simplifies the publishing process. Using these tools ensures your PWA performs well in every environment. Testing PWAs comes with unique challenges. For instance, browser-specific behaviors can affect performance. Safari, for example, has limited support for some PWA features. Offline data persistence is another tricky area. You need to test how well your app handles offline scenarios, including data storage and synchronization. Updating cached assets without disrupting the user experience can also be challenging. Finally, push notification functionality must be tested across platforms to ensure consistency and reliability. To debug and test PWAs effectively, follow these best practices. Test offline scenarios thoroughly to ensure your app works seamlessly without an internet connection. Validate your manifest and service workers to guarantee compliance with PWA standards. use real devices for testing, as emulators may not capture all edge cases. Automate audits with tools like Lighthouse CI to identify issues during the development pipeline. These practices help ensure your PWA delivers a consistent and reliable experience. Let's look at a real-world example. A news platform implemented a PWA to improve its user experience. By using Lighthouse to optimize caching strategies and offline features, they reduced page load times by 35%. This optimization led to higher user retention and engagement, demonstrating the impact of effective debugging and testing. In conclusion, PWAs are a powerful solution that combines the best features of web and mobile apps. However, their success depends on rigorous debugging and testing. By using the right tools and following best practices, you can ensure your PWA performs seamlessly across devices and browsers. Thank you for watching this video in our mobile testing series. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more valuable insights.